the Symphony of Silence. In the quaint town of Melodia, where cobblestone streets wound through vibrant gardens, music was the heartbeat of its existence. Every year, the townsfolk held a festival celebrating their rich musical heritage, drawing visitors from far and wide. However, this year, a peculiar calm enveloped Melodia. The renowned maestro, Anton Voss, had mysteriously vanished just days before the festival, leaving the townspeople in disarray. Worried whispers filled the air as they searched for a replacement, but no one could fill the maestro's shoes. It was then that a young girl named Lila, known for her enchanting violin melodies, stepped forward. "Let me lead the orchestra," she proposed, her voice steady despite the tremor in her heart. Though initially met with skepticism, the townsfolk, desperate for hope, conceded. With an unyielding spirit, Lila immersed herself in the task, rehearsing day and night. As the festival approached, the orchestra grew increasingly adept under her guidance, their harmonies intertwining like threads in a tapestry. On the day of the festival, as the sun dipped below the horizon, the crowd gathered, anticipation dancing in the air. Lila took her place at the front, heart racing. As she raised her bow, a hush fell over the audience. The first notes pierced the silence, resonating with an intensity that echoed through the hearts of all present. In that moment, Lila transformed fear into courage, creating a symphony that transcended the absence of the maestro. The music flowed like a river, uniting the townsfolk in a shared embrace of sound, proving that sometimes silence speaks louder than even the most exquisite melodies.